YouTube. We are back at Brockadale Nature Reserve. We're doing a trial run with the kids. Wish me luck.
I don't have to go through, I can just go under. I got through.
Just wait, you can't get through it.
Wait, okay, so guys, let's go even deeper. Okay, when we get over in like this bit, we'll get to the pond where we're gonna try to show you, and there's a lot of ways to go through, but we're still gonna go forward. So guys, we have to like see the pond. It's really nice. It's over there. So if we just turn over here, we're able to see it. Right over here. So look at this beautiful pond. Okay guys, look here. Okay, look here. You can stand on here so you get closer. If you just see that pond, you'll be able to see a little fishy. Yeah.
Is this where you said that you're going to push me in the water?
Yeah.
You poof that.
Okay, so viewers, if you go over here, you're able to see it bigger.
Oh, there's dogs have been in and out of it.
There's a fish under the tree now. So viewers, you're able to see like, if you look at the tree, you'll see like another rainbow. You'll see like a rainbow, everyone. So let's go back to over there. So we need to go over a bridge. Okay. Viewers, this is going to be the best one ever. You have to go over there, but instead I'm going to cheat and go over here. So,
I'm not going to cross there.
what? So viewers, look at this. Okay, so it's time for your turn to cross now. Cameraman, come on. Come on, cameraman, come on. Elizabeth, why are you scared?
Because I don't like bridges.
Bro.
I don't like bridges that are made of wood.
Oh, come on, one unstable. Viewers, comment Elizabeth's scared of wood bridges. And like and subscribe. Do it now. She's scared of bridges. She had to run. Oh my god. Viewers, look at this. Sheesh. Let's get closer. Let's get a closer look. Guys. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. Just look at this. I'll just climb around now, I don't know why. Guys, look at this. I can only climb up here. Okay. Elizabeth, how are you going to get back down? Oh my god. Okay, Elizabeth, come on.
I can't. I'm going to climb down. Get down backwards the way you went up. I'm just a slide on my bum. No, it's like climbing down a ladder.
Guys, literally look at her.
I'm going to die.
You're not going to die. That's the drone. You see it? Yep. A flipping. So guys, literally look at this view. Elizabeth! Guys, literally, this is hard to climb. Sideways, guys. See what I done, Elizabeth? I don't. When you had the best.
My bum's not on the floor. It wasn't.
Oh my God, Elizabeth.
I'm down. My hands are a bit dirty.
Just come on, Elizabeth. You're not down. Guys, let's stay down.
Can I have £1 now?
Yeah, buddy.
Need to get a bottle.
Okay. We're going over here now.
That was very fun.
Yeah. Well, it was way over here the whole time. So guys, we're back. Yeah, you know it's me. So yeah, that is shown. When I go over here, yeah, that's right here. So we will just go over here. Yeah. So look at this. Elsa, could you climb this? Everyone watch Elizabeth climb this! Okay. Okay, ready? Elizabeth, you actually climbing it. You have to try and get down now. Oh my God. It is on the bum. Guys, my dad just did that for no reason. Daddy, why did you do that?
What's your phone, darling?
Elizabeth. So viewers, I know we did that bit, but just humans there.
Don't keep looking at it. Right, 1 second.
So,
I need to set it better so that it's
You take favorite.
oh my God.
settings, follow.
Viewers.
We'll do medium. We'll do high level. Not high. We'll do high. Right, buddy.
I just climbed up there.
You want too high?
Viewers, look at this. Guys, if I go here, so we'll just go over here. You know what that noise is? I want to show you when I get to this bit. So look, that is road. Oh, the best here, guys! Oh, look at that.
Got it.
Careful, look at that. Oh, guys, can you see? Let me get closer. Oh my God, guys, that's so beautiful. Okay, let's keep going.
No, it's fine now, but it looks like you're getting close to it. And it seems an obstacle and it's starting to move.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, fill my bucket. Will you get water? See it? That's how it works.
Look at this, guys. A dog.
Drinking water.
Oh,
Have a drink as well.
my God. I wish we could have a dog.
Daddy said no.
I remembered when a dog died.
There's a red light flashing on the camera. A red light flashing on it.
Yeah, that means it's on. That's where it's filming, guys. Comment if Elizabeth's brain is small.
That's me.
Because that red light means the video's on, literally.
Put it on a
Okay.
raw.
My God. Oh, guys.
Don't go down there, you're gonna fall.
Stay to this side, she'll slip.
Yeah, guys, you'll slip if you go down here.
Not a big deal, you're slipping into water. It's a big deal, you.
If you go here, you might see it. Guys,
Daddy
literally.
needs to go in first.
So, guys, this is literally the big one. Yeah, it's all bright, guys. Put sunglasses on this video. Okay, guys. Go.
You like butter?
Guys, you need to lip also. That was a flat stuff. No,
Let's see if the camera lights.
no.
Yeah.
So, viewers, yeah, can you hold the camera?
Hold your drink properly.
Aww.
Let's go splash.
Alright. So, viewers, it's not the end. We're still going until when we get back to the van. Yes, Bingo van. Everyone's commenting Bingo van. We're going. We'll go back home.
Comment Belingo van.
Comment Bingo Citroen. That's our van. We're going to get back. So, guys, let's do this then. So, this we're just doing this now. So, then the camera, and did you saw my daddy just crashed his own drone when
Whoa.
in the bush.
Don't be telling the viewers that.
Guys, comment if daddy's silly with his drone.
No, second.
So viewers, for this.
Right. Walk. Start walking.
Oh my God. So, viewers, this is the beautiful flower field we did without you. I know, we're really sad. But this is our channel somehow, but instead, this is going to be the family one. Oh, I just saw a baby butterfly! Guys, come with us for the baby butterflies are so cute. Oh my God. Guys, look at this.
Whoa.
What is that?
Get on it, John. Like a little beach. Whoa.
Viewers, let's follow the river.
Follow the river?
Yeah, guys, come on.
Alright, now do that. Yeah.
Look at videos. Okay, guys, I'm back. Yeah, sorry about that bit. So, let's keep walking.
Keep walking.
So we're nearly halfway. Okay. Oh my God, guys, this is nice. Daddy, why did you switch it the other way
Which way
round?
should we go?
What do you mean?
Up there or down there?
Should we go here?
You down here, watch.
Change the angle of the camera.
So,
Watch, you do that, he's do that. Yeah?
Shall we go up there?
we're going up there, guys. We have to.
You're not going that way, but...
This is the only way. That way is where the pond is. Should we go up there? Out there?
No, this way.
This way. So, guys, look at the nettles. Oh my god, they're sharp nettles. Okay, let's do this. There's some clues. Oh my god, guys. Look at the sharp trees.
Project, you put it at an angle. You gotta keep it flat.
Oh.
Yeah?
Are you doing this?
Yeah, just keep going. That's it. Still talk.
Okay, so guys, look at this. Oh my. This.
Yeah,
Guys, look at this. You can go down this bit.
Yeah, that was the same bit where we.
That's water.
Oh.
It drops down to water.
Okay, guys. So if I trip over, they'll come and might break. So I need to be extra careful. Okay, guys. Come and tell us if I've moved. Okay, I went past the. Oh my god. Let's go faster, guys! Let's go faster! Okay.
Shut up.
So, guys,
What batteries is it?
Come on, Elizabeth, move.
everyone, should we go that way or that way?
We're going straight on, kid.
Yep, not that way. That's a circle. So,
But you know when you're moving, Sweet Pea,
uh-huh.
can you go, whoa, stop.
What?
Stop. Go around, go on.
Why?
I'm not sure if they're them or not. I don't think they are.
I don't.
Hogwart they're called.
I know, but they're right.
Well,
big
it
stones,
is.
so it could be them ones.
Just don't touch the white ones.
Okay.
Careful. Right, Freddy, come give me the camera because I don't want you to get burned. Here, because you're getting a bit sidetracked.
Ah, son of me.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, got him.
Okay.
Are they dangerous?
Yeah, they burn you.
Big brains out. It's not these ones.
No, I don't think it is them
They're
ones.
the little ones. They're really big.
Go on, buddy. You're doing good. You're doing good.
Viewers, the
Viewers.
white ones might be pointing to this way.
No, they're not poisonous, sweetheart, but just burn your skin.
They might burn the skin. I don't know.
I have posted on the
Burn
previous
your
video.
skin. Yeah?
Go on, go on.
Oh my god.
Where did you find?
4 days later.
It was like, this is getting tighter. Oh my god. This is, oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. It was, I think it's lions as well. Have to watch out for these now.
It's okay, I'll do it.
Oh.
You got something near your eye, 1 second. Come here. Oh, you had a bug there. Yeah. Go on. No, because you're going to give viewers motion sickness.
Wait, just go around it. Just come this way. Should we slide down there or keep going straight?
Keep going straight.
Nah, I feel we should go down there.
I feel like we should go straight.
Comment where should we go? Everyone comment down there.
You can come where you want. We're going straight.
Everyone comment down there.
Careful down here, mate. It's a bit
Comment
more
down.
bushy down here.
And you can see Daddy, comment up.
Lift your arms up. Lift your arms up. Like you just don't care.
Go down. Up. Up. Viewers, this is a bit. going to be a long way. Guys, I think they're gone now, so we're able to like do it. Viewers, wait for me. I actually think the white ones are gone now.
Huh?
I think the white ones are gone, viewers. So I think I can finally hold you. Come here, guys.
He seems to think a lot and all.
Oh.
If you ask him what back.
Guys, comment down below if these white flowers is not real anymore. Look guys, two ways pop up. See, it connected. Me. Hey, I got to be in the front.
Oh, sorry.
Because I'm the cameraman now.
Oh, yeah, the cameraman.
So, this one is the cameraman, but I get
Frederick,
to hold it.
when you're doing that with the camera, the people won't like it. You're going too fast for them.
Oh,
Yeah?
okay,
It
so.
might make them feel a bit not nice.
So, viewers, we're going to go slower now. Okay.
We are now getting refreshments. My son's out riding his imaginary motorbike. Just saying how much he's riding his imaginary motorbike.
It's Cybertruck motorbike.
Oh yeah, Cybertruck motorbike, Lamborghini plus Ferrari plus BMW X5.
McLaren as well.
M5, I like
Oh, M5, M5, my
And
bad.
McLarens.
McLaren Porsche.
Wow,
This is pretty.
just a minute, let me take round, you ninny.
Okay, so do you see this? So, look, if I press this auto mode, it'll go by itself.
Come, that's so weird. Yeah.
Yeah, because
Come on,
it's
then,
going
kid.
hill now. Oh my god, it's just going. Oh my god, guys, look at that.
Oh my god.
Oh, they've heard it.
Oh, they have, yeah.
Yes. Now we're inside of the whole tower. Hello guys, this is so bad. I think it's broken. Could be the video there. Bad. So guys, I think this
Come
is
here.
the biggest.
You're doing this, look at the camera. You're doing this, the people won't like it, mate. They'll feel sick. You've got to keep it straight.
I'm trying. Look at this. Yes. Look at this mansion.
It's not a mansion.
Well, guys, comment if it looks like a mansion. If it doesn't, comment no. If it does, comment yes. Oh my god. That close. A Ford, definitely. Oh, bad.
It is. Yeah, it's in down here, yeah, so this could be quite interesting. It's a nice area.
Hello guys. So I'm really tired and we're hungry, so we're just going to keep walking.
Over halfway.
We're over halfway, so
Just keep going.
we have to keep going until we find the bench and we finally sit down.
Oh my gosh, it's like
Oh
it's
my
like
God.
it knew.
There's a bench there, guys. Look, there's a bench over
Do you
there.
want to sit on the bench for a little bit?
Viewers, we're going to sit on the bench with you. So,
Go ahead,
we're
go
going
ahead.
to turn around here. Let's go. Here. Oh, look at it. Look at that.
Oh look, there is a bench.
Oh. What's that?
Yeah, don't touch the back of it though.
What even is that?
Just people putting fingers in the mud.
Oh my god, viewers. Look at that. Oh, when you get close, it gets muddy. So don't get too close. Instead, go over here. There's a little hole here.
Just be careful.
Just be careful, I can see you popping in water.
Guys, just let me hold you. If you can see the hole, look at that. If you can see the hole, that's where all the water's going into the ground. So this is the longest river ever. So viewers, you're able to see the
It's
hole.
not the longest river ever.
So, wait, this one first, will see better. Yep. There's definitely a hole there.
I'm just stopping you from
Fidget.
falling in
Yeah, because
you're leaning right over.
you're leaning really over there, mate.
It's not the fact that you go in the water, it's the fact that you're going to hit your head on a rock.
So viewers, I brought my swimming costume.
If I hear so viewers one more time.
Okay, viewers. Oh. Mum, what? Mum, what?
I've stopped you for now, buddy. Oh, I haven't.
Okay, so viewers, people have dipped their fingers in that mud there, but right around here,
Oh,
and
what?
they're making little bits which look. It's really viewers. Looks like you can see it. Yeah. And if you just come over here, well, you can see it's going over here.
No, don't get too close, mate.
Where it's going all the way
All the way.
in the circle.
Huh?
Wait,
Circle?
viewers, wait. Can you see that? There's literally someone camping. There's someone even camping. Oh my god, viewers, can you even see that?
Right, come on then. Here's some more drink.
Okay. What is that?
A
Viewers?
lawnmower.
Lawnmower.
I don't know if that sounds like a word, but comment down, say no, just comment no, if it doesn't sound like one, comment yes if it does.
Yeah. Frederick.
I can try. I broke one off. Oh,
Have you got one off for him? There you go.
Wow.
Really nice then.
feelers for bows.
Roses.
Nice, right? I got one.
That's pretty.
If anyone wants some, I'm selling one for 100 quid.
Well, that was
Don't
fine.
listen to him. Because they don't even buy me them.
I buy her orchids.
That was good.
Don't buy roses. Buy orchids.
You know, we were gonna
Last
get
longer
Guys, we
and they're
have a
nicer.
responsibility to look after.
And then
No, yeah.
she forgets all about them.
Just that squeeze me a scrap.
What?
So, viewers, let's go. There's more of these white flowers. So
Whoa.
if we just get down more, it'll be easier. But we have to risk ourselves with this.
What was
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
Huh?
That was easy. Okay, I found the biggest rock ever. I'm keeping it. Guys, found something.
Just go, just go.
Where is that?
It's just a tree trunk.
Oh.
Or a root.
Where it is. Well, this one rare one has orange on it.
That's
Right.
better, isn't it?
Literally a sawbird.
Willy.
Okay. I think. Yeah, squeeze. So I don't get the white bit.
stop, I'm going to walk into you. And then we'll be in a heap on the floor.
So warm, I like. Good day. So yeah, this one's just a mess about video, just to try that out. Like I said, he loves YouTube, so he tends to watch all kid stuff. Say hi, Frederick.
Bye.
Oh, hi.
What?
Hi.
Hi.
Bye bye. Bye bye. You're a sausage, aren't
Oh
you?
my god. Yeet. Yeet, yeet.
Yeet.
Oh my god. So viewers, this kid here lost my rocket lines. I can't get another out.
Lost his rock.
I was trying to find
Oh, it's
another
bloody
one.
rock. Don't open it. Oh. That's not what I wanted. Frederick! Do a proper smile. With your teeth. With cheese.
He's the most awkward smile in the world.
Wait, it's broken.
It's alright, buddy.
Never mind. That is done.
Nah.
He's there trying to pick up massive bloody rocks. I don't have to take it with him. Next time I'll let it eat you. Okay?
No.
Give us a like if you want a bug to eat Frederick.
No.
Like and subscribe.
Don't like and subscribe for me. Just like
I'm
and subscribe.
joking with you.
Oh.
No, he's not.
Daddy is out. Guys, let's go.
Right.
Bye.
See you,
Right up this way.
see you tomorrow.
Come on, guys.
Stop trying to get trees.
I want to find a rock under it. Which way?
Straight on. Oh no, where has Frederick gone? We cannot see him. I hope he doesn't scare us. Oh! Whoa, Frederick! Frederick! Ho, ho, ho. So, Frederick is now currently having a poo. Frederick!
Tired.
You can't do that!
See you guys.
What do you think, Elizabeth? Mark, are we still walking?
We travelled by car here, guys, and Elizabeth's come out with I'll be going back to the car.
Or are we still walking?
Are we still walking?
Well, Elizabeth, you're walking home.
Wow, look at that.
And we'll meet you there. Oh, it's a puppy.
Can I have it?
No,
you leave the
leave the
puppies.
puppies alone. Leave it alone.
I want it.
Don't last very long with the petals.
No. Go on, Ollie.
Are you going to show him over the edge?
So yeah, guys, are we still
Please hold on
walking,
to him.
or
I'm
are we at the car?
tired. I'm tired.
You're tired?
Yeah.
We've only got 4 more days to go.
Daddy, that's long.
You're not showing him.
No, it's up here, that one.
Daddy.
It's further up. It's further up.
Can you put me on show? Hey, can you
Make sure you hold him when you do though,
I will.
But
because he will fly overhead.
I know I will.
Daddy, I got an idea. But I hold the camera.
Where you going?
I'm off somewhere else to go with else. I nearly fell off then.
Daddy.
Yes.
How about you put me your shoulders? I will hold the camera.
No. She'll take the tree back.
Yeah.